Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best cap cleaning kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for any hat enthusiast. Keeping your caps clean not only enhances their appearance but also extends their lifespan, ensuring they remain a stylish part of your wardrobe for years to come. In this video, we'll dive deep into the new era cap cleaning kit, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in restoring your favorite caps to their former glory. Number 5. XQXA 2-pack hat washers for baseball caps. Tired of dirty hats? These hat washers are designed to clean your baseball caps and trucker hats. It's easy to use and will get your hats looking fresh again. Whether you have adult or kids hats, this product is suitable for all. The size is perfect for cleaning any hat, ensuring a thorough wash every time. Made from durable plastic, this product is built to last. The high-quality materials ensure that it can withstand repeated use and keep your hats protected. This product protects your hats during washing and travel. It helps maintain the shape of your hats, whether you're using a washing machine or dishwasher. For best results, use cold or warm water. This product is easy to use and will help extend the life of your hat washers. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like. This hat washer is made of durable plastic material, ensuring it can withstand multiple washes. It fits both adult and kids hats, making it versatile for the whole family. If you have a variety of hats to clean or want to keep your hats in shape during washing, you should consider this. What people say. The cleaning solution works great. The brush is soft enough to not damage the cap but firm enough to get the dirt out. The kit comes with everything you need to clean your hats. Number 4. Ultimate Hat Cleaning Kit. Is your favorite hat looking a little worse for wear? This kit is designed to tackle all types of hats, from baseball caps to cowboy hats, and everything in between. This kit is your all-in-one solution for hat care. It's specially formulated to remove stains and refresh your hats, making them look like new. Whether it's a cherished baseball cap or a rugged cowboy hat, this kit is safe and effective. It's designed to gently clean and protect your hats. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy cleaning process. It's simple to use, so you can keep your hats looking their best with minimal effort. Keep your hats clean and looking their best. This kit is the perfect way to extend the life of your hats and keep them looking fresh. What we like. This kit is designed to tackle tough stains on various hat materials. It's a comprehensive solution for all your hat cleaning needs. If you are looking for a versatile and effective cleaning solution for all types of hats, you should consider this. What people say. The cleaning solution works great. The brush is soft enough to not damage the cap but firm enough to get the dirt out. The kit comes with everything you need to clean your hats. Number 3. No Sweat Premium Hat Cleaner Kit. This kit includes everything you need to keep your hats looking their best. It comes with a 4-ounce cleaning solution, a microfiber cloth, and a soft bristle brush. It's perfect for all your favorite hats. The cleaning solution is safe to use on a variety of materials. It works great on leather, canvas, nubuck, mesh, and many others. You can trust it to clean your hats without causing damage. The spray applicator helps you to clean more hats. You can clean up to 7 times more hats than other products. It's a more efficient and less wasteful way to clean your hats. This cleaner removes dust, sweat, fingerprints, and other everyday grime. It will help to keep your hats looking fresh and clean. It's an easy way to maintain your hats. The specially selected brush fibers lift and clean dirt. It does so without damaging your hat. This ensures a thorough yet gentle cleaning process. What we like. This kit includes a unique spray applicator, allowing you to clean more hats with less product. It is safe on most materials, ensuring your hats are well cared for. If you like a kit that provides everything you need and is gentle on your hats, you should consider this. What people say. The cleaning solution works great. The brush is soft but effective. It is a complete kit, including a cleaning solution, a brush, and a microfiber towel. Number 2. Ballcap Buddy, Gentle Hat and Shoe Cleaning Soap. This is a gentle soap with a soft scrub brush, perfect for cleaning your hats and shoes. It's designed to safely remove dirt and stains. It is made in the USA. The mild soap and soft brush work together to gently scrub away grime. This is ideal for ball caps, hats, and visors. It helps keep them looking their best. Use it as a pre-scrub, especially on the inside rim and extra dirty spots. This will help lift away stubborn stains before washing. It makes the cleaning process easier. For best results, use the Ballcap Buddy Cap Washer Rack. Place the pre-treated caps in the rack and put it in the top rack of your dishwasher. You can also hand wash your hats with it. The soap is biodegradable, making it an environmentally friendly choice. It's a safe and effective way to clean your hats and shoes. You can feel good about using it. What we like. This product uses a mild, gentle soap that is also biodegradable, making it environmentally friendly. It's safe for use in the dishwasher, simplifying your cleaning routine. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and convenient cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. This product worked exactly as promised and renewed the life on 3 of my ball caps. Clean ball caps that were very dirty. Simply rub on the stains and let sit for a few minutes. Then hand wash with regular clothes soap and rinse well. Placed in cap frames and let dry naturally. Caps look like new. Number 1. Homiegear Hat Cleaning Kit for all hat types. Keep your hats looking fresh with this amazing kit. It's designed to clean all types of hats, ensuring they stay in top condition. This kit effectively removes dirt, lint, and dust. It helps to restore your hats to their original glory, making them look as good as new. Don't worry about tough stains anymore. This kit includes tools to tackle even the most stubborn marks, keeping your hats clean. The kit features a brush and an eraser. This combination provides a complete cleaning solution for your hats, ensuring they are spotless. This hat cleaner is perfect for new era caps. It's the ideal solution for keeping your favorite caps clean and well maintained. What we like. This kit combines a brush and eraser to tackle dirt, lint, and tough stains. It's ideal for all hat types, ensuring your entire collection stays clean. If you like a simple yet effective cleaning solution for all your hats, you should consider this. What people say. The cleaning solution works great. The brush is soft enough to not damage the cap but firm enough to get the dirt out. The kit comes with everything you need to clean your hats. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.